Today I'm a man on a mission. Lately I've been getting so many comments asking like, Vimal bhai, can you build us like the cheapest or maybe like most affordable RTX 40 series gaming PC in 2023? And guess what? Challenge accepted. That is what I'll be doing in this video. Aaj ka video na is going to be like very informative and knowledgeable. So make sure to watch it till the end. So as I've told you guys, this is going to be like a value for money gaming PC build and will offer like next level performance, keeping the price as low as possible. We won't be doing any sort of unnecessary expenditure. I've chosen like very reasonable components, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy watching this video. Now coming to the GPU part, this is the main question, right? So obviously we'll be using NVIDIA's recent launch RTX 4070, which is the most affordable card in their 40 series lineup. Comes with like 12 gigs of GDDR6X memory and like decent specs. And that too also we have like Inno3D's Twin X2 OC edition card, guys. I've actually reviewed this card on our channel. In case if you missed it, you'll have to check out that video. So this is the card we'll be using. Now you people know, right, RTX 40 series GPUs are based on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture and offers cutting edge graphics and technologies. This includes ray tracing support, DLSS 3.0, AI frame generation, and also supports NVIDIA's Reflex as well. So this particular gaming PC that we'll be building today is targeted for like high frame rate 1080p level gaming with ray tracing, or you can even do like 1440p smooth level gaming, guys. So everything is possible over here. You people know about ray tracing, right? When you enable ray tracing in a game, it offers like realistic lighting, shadows, and also reflections, and makes the game feel much more lifelike and realistic. Totally adds like a whole new level of depth and perspective to the game. And coming to DLSS, DLSS stands for deep learning super sampling, and this like greatly improves your frame rate without actually compromising image quality. And that too, with the recent RTX 40 series GPUs launch, you're getting an update to the DLSS also. You're getting DLSS 3.0 with AI frame generation that offers up to like 4 times higher frame rate overall through the game and much higher throughput, guys. So what actually frame generation does is it entirely generates like new frames in between the original frames, and that is how you're actually getting this much higher frame rate results, guys. So we'll be talking about all of these technologies in this video. And finally coming to NVIDIA Reflex, well, this is NVIDIA's low latency technology that is used to measure and analyze your system latency and tries to make your PC like much more responsive, guys. So combine all of these technologies, you can expect like next level gaming performance over here. So that is what we'll be putting to a test in this video, guys. It's gonna be like hardcore benchmarking, so you'll get to know what sort of performance you can expect over here with ray tracing, DLSS, and all of these technologies enabled in this video. So first of all, before we move on, let me tell you about the configuration we are using. As I've told you, GPU will be like NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4070, that too from Inno3D. This is the Twin X2 OC edition model. And coming to the CPU, we will be building like an Intel based gaming PC, and for this I've chosen like Intel Sci-Fi. I actually wanted to go for the 13th gen i5, but that was a bit more expensive, you know, almost around like 32,000 rupees, and our concept was based around budget, so that's why I went with like 12th gen i5, 12600K. This is like a 10 core 16 thread CPU and is like very much value for money compared to 13th gen. It costs only around like 20,000 rupees right now in the market and provides much more, you know, value for performance at this price tag. Now moving on, talking about the RAM, obviously this is going to be like a DDR4 RAM only. We will be going with like 16GB RAM, 18:2 clocked at 3200 MHz. This one is from XPG. It's their Gamix D30 RAM, guys. It's right now available at a very discounted price of only around 1750 rupees or something for single 8GB RAM stick. Links for all of these will be available in the description box below. Coming to the motherboard, this is also like a very affordable category motherboard. We are going with the B660M series motherboard from MSI. So you can go for something like their Pro B660M, which hardly costs around like 10,000 rupees and is like very value for money, I would say. The one we are using is like Mortar Wi-Fi Edition DDR4 motherboard. This one has like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and costs like 5,000 rupees extra. So choice is up to you depending on your budget. Now if you talk about the cooler, I'll be using like an affordable category air cooler from GameDS. This hardly costs around 2,000 rupees. It'll greatly improve your thermal performance. Plus you're also getting your RGB goodness as well. Lastly, coming to power supply, for this sort of configuration, 650 watt power supply is like more than enough. You can go for something like Deepcool's power supply, gold rated one. And lastly, coming to the case, now this totally depends on your budget. I would suggest you to go for something like a 3,000 rupees case, any model, anything, choice is up to you. Today we have like a special case from Anti-Sports. This is their dynamic GT case, comes with 4 pre-installed ARGB fans and has like beautiful tempered glass and also has like lots of shrouds and stuff for neat organization optimizing cable management. So that is what we'll be using. So that's it guys, complete overview on the configuration and PC specs, and without wasting any more time, let's get started with the build. Alright, our affordable GeForce RTX 40 series PC is all done and ready to game. This was supposed to be like an all black theme initially, but since the motherboard had like white elements, I decided to make the cooler also white to give like a nice contrast to the overall look and feel. Anyways, let's quickly power it on and check out the RGB lighting on this thing. Oh wow, get a look at that. PC looks stunning, right? All thanks to this beautiful case. And T-Sports Dynamic GT comes with 4 pre-installed ARGB fans that really uplift the overall look. Such subtle RGB lighting, I totally dig it guys. On top of that, it's fully customizable with a single click of a button on the case. Pretty cool, right? And not to miss out that beautiful RGB lighting on the components as well. Holy moly guys, RGB-licious is what I can say. Just have a look at these beautiful RGB shots and I hope you enjoy the show. So before jumping into the benchmarks, let me quickly talk about our store partner for today's video, VAJAWAT Computers. They're based out of Chennai and have both offline as well as online website as well. And these guys deal with all sorts of computer components, PC parts. They even build you like custom rigs as per your requirement. Either it be gaming PC builds or even create edition PCs as per your requirement. So they've been in this market since like 2 decades guys, and I've also purchased lots of components from them. Very reliable service I'd say. So make sure to check out their website. I'll leave a link to their shop, store and also online website in the description box below. Do check it out. Alright, about time, let's jump into the benchmarks. Our PC is powered by NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4070 with 12 gigs of GDDR6X memory paired with 12th gen i5 12600K, which is a 10 core 16 thread CPU. So there is nothing less you can expect over here. Today we'll be benchmarking a brand new game. I haven't played it in a long time, Forza Horizon 5. This game recently got NVIDIA DLSS 3.0 support with the frame generation, so it'll be like a good game to test out today's PC's performance. By the way, Forza Horizon 5 has like beautiful graphics and is also like quite GPU intensive, so I'm pretty curious to see how the RTX 4070 is gonna handle it. We'll be testing out this game on a 1080p monitor because our theme was based around budget, right? But if you can actually shell out a little bit more money, the 4070 can surely handle 1440p level gaming as well. So right now we'll be testing out NVIDIA's all ADA Lovelace technologies like ray tracing, DLSS 3.0 and even NVIDIA Reflex as well with a side-by-side comparison. Right now in this first clip, ray tracing is off. I want to show you the raw potential of this configuration, what this PC can do. Oh boy, are you people looking at that? Forza Horizon 5 at 1080p max ultra graphics without DLSS, we were getting around 150 FPS on an average. Now that is what I'm talking about guys, buttery smooth gameplay. Let's quickly toggle ray tracing and check out the difference. I've told you earlier, right, ray tracing offers like realistic lighting, reflections and shadows and brings like a whole new level of depth and perspective to the game. There are multiple ray tracing quality levels to choose from in this particular game, and we will be testing it at the extreme level settings as that will offer you both ray traced reflections and shadows as well. Previously in this game it only had like this feature in the presentation mode, but now with the recent update they finally brought it to the free roam and during races as well. So first let's talk about the reflections. With ray tracing you get accurate, dynamic and realistic sort of reflections, mostly noticeable on mirror like surfaces or maybe like glass windows, water puddles or chrome finished areas. I mean, look at that car's window over there. Ray tracing makes the game feel much more lifelike, resulting in an artifact-free and produces accurate sort of reflections the way they should occur on those shiny surfaces. Just have a look at these examples to better understand what I'm saying. Look at those reflections on the car's windows and even on the body surface. It doesn't look that great, right? And also inaccurate as well. There's a lot of detail missing, I would say. But now see what happens when I enable ray tracing in the game. Bam! You people see that? In this game, the difference might be subtle, but it's definitely there if you concentrate. Turning RTX on fixes all those lighting problems and produces artifact-free and proper reflections as they should occur on shiny surfaces. And this makes your gameplay experience much more lifelike and realistic. I'll just put these clips side by side and show you the difference. Just have a look at them. So that was very interesting, right? Hope you understood what ray tracing does in the game. And not to miss out NVIDIA's DLSS 3.0 as well. DLSS 3.0 greatly boosts your frame rates without compromising image quality at the same time. Added to that, you're also getting AI frame generation support as well. Frame generation entirely creates new frames in between the original frames, and that is how you'll be getting 4 times higher frame rate and throughput depending on the resolution. It happens with the combination of both software and hardware. Right now in this first clip, DLSS 3 and frame generation is off, and as you can see, we were getting an average frame rate of around 135 to 140 FPS. But when you enable DLSS 3.0 and frame generation, this is what happens. Are you people kidding me? That is a massive jump, guys, from 135 FPS to 210 FPS on an average at the same resolution and same graphic performance also. Madness, guys. Where is 135, where is 210 FPS? Nearly double performance boost. That is what DLSS 3.0 is capable of with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4070 GPU. Let me just put these clips side by side and show you the difference. You'll get a better idea and understanding on the comparison. Huge improvement, right? And not just DLSS, we also have NVIDIA Reflex support as well. You people know, right? Reflex is NVIDIA's low latency technology that optimizes your overall system latency and greatly improves the response times. To show you the difference in PC latency, we'll be playing Valorant right now. In this first clip, Reflex is off, and on an average, as you can see, the PC latency was around 7 to 8 milliseconds. But when NVIDIA's Reflex low latency was enabled, PC latency came down to around 5.5 to 6 milliseconds. Decent improvement, I would say, especially for esport professional gamers. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. I hope you people got a clear idea on how this RTX 4070 PC performs in different games with NVIDIA technologies. And talking about the price, I'll just leave all the price details of different components on the screen. Just have a look at that. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.